If you're a terminal lover like me, you probably have dozens of tabs open at even any given time. You might be running a server, compiling some code, or just editing some files. But what happens if you accidentally close your terminal window, or your SSH connection drops, or your laptop battery dies? You lose all your work and have to start over from scratch. That's no fun at all. That's why you should use tmux right now. tmux is a terminal multiplexer that lets you create and manage multiple seasons, windows, and panes within a single terminal. You can detach from a season and retach to it later, even from a different machine. You can also split your terminal into multiple panes and switch between them easily. You can customize your tmux configuration to suit your preferences and workflow. You can even run scripts and commands in the background without blocking your terminal. tmux is a powerful tool that will make your terminal experience more productive and enjoyable. We will make a tmux tutorial series in the future, so don't miss it. What are you waiting for? Start using tmux right now and see the difference for yourself.